Okay, Ffion, Emma, you are Golden Ambassadors at Ysgol Bro Dinefwr. Talk to us or tell me what you have been doing as part of the leadership programme so far this year.
So we've been going to loads of training courses, such as the YAP training course, which is loads of young ambassadors. We've been to hockey, football, rugby, and we've been to the disability inclusion there.
Fab. So with regards to that training, what was beneficial to you or you felt you've gained from attending this training?
It's been like a guidance to us in which way we can go our future, teaching children and people on those different courses.
I think it's given us confidence as well.
Yeah, and we've got the understanding of it as well now.
So what do you hope to do now moving forward?
I think we really want to go down the road of coaching.
Yeah.
So we're going to try and do as many courses as we can to gain qualifications.
And especially like increasing physical activities in schools as well.
100%.
And having more people engaging, people who aren't the type to engage, to bring, everyone in. So it's not just like the people who want to do it, the people who don't want to do it.
And today we've just been at the insport series event in Dyffryn Aman.
Yeah.
You came along and a look around. What do you think about that?
I think it's absolutely amazing that, that this is available for people who are
bringing awareness and stuff like that.
Because I think for many people who, are in wheelchairs or something, I don't think there wasn't much awareness of them being able to do exercise. So to be having this in the community is amazing.
And having role models here as well for them.
I agree with you. It's great to see, people from different national governing bodies. Like we've had Scarlett here as well with a wheelchair active, and they were smashing into each other, which is fantastic. Did you manage to have a go at anything yourselves?
We did. We had to go at
basketball. That was really fun.
And I guess it's quite important for us to have a go as well.
Yeah.
If we're coaching people who are in wheelchairs.
Ourselves in their shoes.
Yeah, 100%. So, very fun.
Looking forward to the future?
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you very much.